What does it mean to fail or to be a failure? If we look at the basic definition of the word, we will see something along the lines of not achieving a certain goal or desired outcome. Too many failures and one's self-esteem begins to be depleted. But failure implies that we have a desired expectation of some type of outcome. And it is with this expectation that suffering arises. And this is what the Buddha teaches us in the second noble truth. Attachment brings about suffering. Our society, as well as many others, are judgmental on many different ideas, concepts, and notion of what defines success. Perhaps it's the type of home you live in, the car you drive, the salary you earn, or perhaps the number of cows or livestock you even own. But no matter what the item or condition is that defines success, success is never considered simply being happy with what you have in the present moment. When you have more, you both desire more and worry about losing what you already have accumulated. It is a vicious cycle that harbors additional suffering. But suppose we let go of this concept of failure and replace it with one of just letting it be. A butterfly or a bee doesn't need to fight to get pollen from a flower. It simply flies to it. A tree or a plant doesn't fight for rain. Rain simply falls from the sky. There is no suffering in either of these tasks. But driving to work in rush hour is suffering. The congested drive home from work in rush hour to see your family after a long day is suffering. So consider, did getting that high-paying, prestigious career ease your suffering? Losing out on what matters most in life, joy, peace, balance, family, and well-being are the true measures of success. May we still have goals and aspirations in life? Sure. But if the pursuit of those goals or the achievement of those goals increases your suffering greatly, it is prudent to reflect on your current path. If you decide to alter your path, you have succeeded. If not, isn't that the opposite of success? Achieving a peaceful existence, a well-balanced mindset, and a wholesome lifestyle is never a failure. Living simply and with mindful adherence to the Buddha's teachings, the Four Noble Truths, the Eightfold Path, and the 5 precepts helps to ensure that we are living a wholesome, fulfilling, and truly meaningful life for the benefit of all.